Hello friends, we have seen one tutorial how to draw the string on a particular image. Now there we have used the basic fonts which are available. Now in case you want a specific font to be used, then in this tutorial we are going to see how the true type fonts can be utilized to draw the strings on the image. So for that, first thing that you have to do is that you can just go to Google and just download any of the true type fonts that you want to use. Now next, in the PHP file, let us say, suppose I am just going to first create one blank image of size 500 by 500 and I'll store this in variable im. Now next, I want the particular font to be, say, suppose black. So here I will be using image color allocate $im, then 0, 0, 0. So this will be the black color. Then say suppose I want it on the red background. So I'll again create one background red, and there I will associate the value 255 in the red parameter. Then whatever files that you have downloaded from the Google, just keep it in the same file, keep it in the same folder in which your PHP file is there. And let us say here, to get the parent directory name, I will be using dir name, then here magic function file 2 underscore file 2 underscore dot, then name of my file concatenated by the period operator. So I will be storing my font in the variable $font. Now next, what I am going to do is that I am going to use one function called as image ttf text. Now this particular function takes number of parameters. So let us understand them one by one. First is our image resource, then next is the size of the font, then next is angle at which you want to display the text, next is x and y coordinates of the string, next is color, next is the name of the font that you are going to use, and finally is the text that you want to draw on the particular image. So for simplicity, let us take one example. So here let us say I'll take image ttf text, then inside the bracket I'll write $im, then say suppose I'll put the size 10, then angle is 45, then x and y coordinates are 130, 100. Now the color of my font is, say, suppose black. Then next is the font name. See here in the earlier line I have written the name of the font. So I have taken Montserrat Alternates bold.otf file. Just Google it and you can get this file. And remember, put this font in the same folder in which your PHP file is there. And then lastly, my string, say suppose MK Tutorials4u. Now say suppose I just want to display this particular image on the fly. So I will use the function image png and I will give the parameter $im, and after this I will destroy this im variable with image destroy. And as you recall, I have taught you in the second method, you have to write here the header function to tell the PHP that this particular file contains image. So here I will pass it content type :image / png. Save this file with the name imagefont.php and run on the web browser and check the output. So see here, it is displayed. Now let us try one more time this particular function and change the parameter. So say suppose I increase my font to 40 and increase my x and y coordinates. And now save this again and let us check the output now. So you can see here the different size string is drawn on the image. So here in this way you can use different fonts to display your strings on your image.